Hello students, myself Vijay Bhadoria, study point Inter College Karapa, Sitapur. Today I am going to explain you question number 5 of exercise 6.1. What is the question? POQ is a line. POQ is a line. Ray OR is perpendicular. OR ray is perpendicular on this line. It means this angle QOR and angle POR is 90 degree. Okay, and OS is another ray. OS is another ray line between rays OP and OR. OS is line between OR and OP. Okay, we have to prove angle ROS equal to 1 by 2 angle QOS minus angle POS. Okay, how will we prove? Take RHS. What is RHS? This is LHS. इक्वल टू के पहले आपके LHS और इक्वल टू के बाद में RHS. तो हम लेंगे RHS. RHS इक्वल टू 1 by 2 एंगल QOS माइनस एंगल POS. ओके, इक्वल टू 1 by 2 एंगल QOS. QOS, you can write angle QOS as angle QOR plus ROS. Okay, you can write angle QOS as QOR plus ROS. Angle QOR plus angle ROS minus angle POS. Angle POS, how you can write? Angle POR, you can write POS as angle POR minus ROS. अगर आप POR से ROS सब्ट्रैक्ट करेंगे तो क्या बचेगा? POS. तो एंगल POR माइनस एंगल ROS. ओके, 1 by 2 एंगल QOR प्लस एंगल ROS माइनस एंगल POR माइनस इंटू माइनस प्लस एंगल ROS इक्वल टू 1 by 2 एंगल QOR. Your QOR is 90 degree because it was seen in the question. OR is perpendicular on the line. Perpendicular means angle 90 degree. So angle QOR is 90 degree. 90 degree plus angle ROS and ROS. 2 angle ROS minus POR. POR is also 90 degree because on the line, in this line, sum of these and total angle will be 180. This angle is 90, so remain POR will be also 90 because whole is 180 and it is 90, so it will be also 90. Angle POR is also 90 degree. 90 minus 90 cancel out. So 1 by 2 angle ROS. 2 to cancel out, so it is left angle ROS. Okay, equal to LHS. Which we have to prove. Okay, equal to angle ROS. This is clause to prove. Now see question number 6. Now see and take a screenshot of this. Okay, to note down the question. I will not send you pic. Now see question number 6. Question number 6. It is given that angle XYZ is 64. Question number 6 is, it is given angle XYZ is 64. XYZ, angle XYZ is 64. Okay, it is given in the question. Angle XYZ is 64 and XY is produced to point P. XY is produced to point P. XY is produced to point P. Draw a figure from the given information. We have draw the figure. If ray YQ bisect angle ZYP, set by P is bisect by ray YQ. YQ is a ray. There is a YQ, another ray which bisect angle ZYP. Okay. This ray bisect this angle, means this angle and this angle will be equal. If this is 30, it will be also 30. If this is 60, it will be also 60. Okay. Now what we have to find angle XYZ and reflex angle QYP. How we will solve? Solution. We have to find angle XYQ. Angle XYQ. Okay. From the question, angle PYQ equal to angle QYZ. Angle PYQ equal to angle QYZ. Angle PYQ equal to angle QYZ equal to x डिग्री से हम x ले लेंगे इसको, इन दोनों एंगल्स को x ले लेंगे बिकॉज ये बाइसेक्टर है आपका इस एंगल का, दोनों एंगल्स इक्वल होंगे. सो दिस इज x एंड इट विल बी आल्सो x. सो नाउ ऑन लाइन PYX or PX on line PX at this line C, at this line angle PYQ plus angle QYZ plus angle ZYX will be 180 degree because these all angles lie on a line, on this line PX. So angle PYQ plus angle QYZ plus angle ZYX equal to 180 degree. Okay, 180 degree. Angle PYQ we have assumed x, so place here x plus QYZ also x, so put here x plus ZYX, not Q, ZYX. ZYX is 64. So put 64 degree equal to 180 degree. XX is 2x plus 64 equal to 180 degree. 2x equal to 180 minus 64. It will go that side, it will be minus. 2x equal to 180 minus 64. It is 1116. So x equal to 1116 upon 2, 58. X equal to 58 degree. Now what we have to find? We have to find XYQ. Okay, and reflex QYP. QYP reflex. Okay. QYP is our, since QYP angle QYP equal to x. We have assumed QYP, PYQ or QYP is same angle. Okay, keep this in your mind. PYQ or QYP is the same angle. So QYP or PYQ is the same. So QYP is x and QYP is equal to x. We have find 58 degree. 58 degree. We have to find reflex QIP. What we have to find? Reflex QIP. So reflex angle QIP equal to 360 degree minus angle reflex QIP equal to 360 minus QYP, एंगल QYP. बिकॉज जब भी हम किसी भी एंगल का रिफ्लेक्स फाइंड करते हैं तो उस एंगल को 360 से माइनस करते हैं. सो रिफ्लेक्स QYP इक्वल टू 360 माइनस एंगल QYP. योर QYP is 58 degree. QYP is 58 degree. So it is 302 degree. Okay. Reflex QYP is 302 degree. Now we have to find XYQ, angle XYQ. Okay. XYQ, angle XYQ. How we will find? Very easy. It is very simple. XYQ. How you can find? XYZ plus ZYQ is XYQ. Okay. XYZ plus ZYQ is XYQ. So XYQ equal to angle XYZ plus angle ZYQ. So angle XYQ equal to XYZ is 64. XYZ is 64 plus ZYQ is equal to PYQ, and ZYQ is X and value of X is 58. So here it is 58. So angle XYQ equal to okay 64 plus 58 is 122. See again, ZYQ is ZQYZ. ZYQ या QYZ एक ही बात है. Okay. So and ZYQ is X degree and X is 58. So in place of ZYQ we will put 58 and this is your answer. I hope you understand. To note down the question, I will not send to pic. So you can take a screenshot of this. Okay. Now thank you and have a good day for you.